ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Komisi Bentaban Pensuthui ki pat ba nong song snong jong ka Bhoi district ban tip shapang ka hong ban yo ajet ya ki nong mi khmat pat ba ka office jong ka deputy commissioner Bhoi district ka Rakhe ya ka national voters day ha Bhoi district ha kini jing Rakhe ba long ha district library auditorium hall nong po ka deputy commissioner jong ka Bhoi district ka kongrosita M kurba ka lalong ka kongsan harangkat ka jing sakilang jong ki nong tri sarkar ki samla bat ki noy lam snong ba per na Bhoi district.
Hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free, fair, and peaceful elections, and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any inducement.
Reason to be to be given that role to choose our own leaders, and Bach has given us a very good explanation. I will not go into that, but the only thing I would say that we should inculcate the spirit of willingness on the part of each and every citizen to come forward to carry out this duty as a citizen of the country, to understand why we're doing this, and to we're coming just a few months from now, we're preparing for the election, for the MLA election. So it's very important, especially this year, the entire year will be very, very busy with election process. So I take this opportunity to appeal to all those children who are going to attain 18 years on the 1st of January 2023 to come forward and register themselves at the right time, so that they'll be able to take this responsibility upon themselves to elect and select their leaders, and leaders who will be able to protect us. As Bach has rightly said that, we have surrendered our rights to a person. I mean, this is something very serious. We have surrendered our voice to somebody, and that somebody should be able to deliver. If they cannot deliver, then it becomes a problem for you, for us, the electors for 5 years. So therefore, we need to educate, we need to create this awareness. I'm so happy today we have Yuba, who has explained to us the importance of why we need to vote, on how to vote in the right earnest, voting with a responsibility, with pride. And the Election Commission this time, they've given a theme to us, accessibility. Everyone can enroll themselves in this modern age from their own home. E-Epic, so you can enroll even from home, right? So it's very accessible for everyone now, especially in this pandemic situation. We don't want to have too much crowd in the disease office too. So it's very important for you to know your BL. The next one would be inclusive. So the theme, that the Election Commission often use, no one to be left behind. That means no citizen in the country who's attained the age of 18 should be left behind. They should come forward and get their epic card, and when it's the time for voting, they should go and exercise their role in selecting their representative. So, and another thing is this, participation. So we are all here today, gathered here today, is one of the angle for participation. You're all present here to carry the message across that we need to educate, number one, through awareness program, through your own role, and more importantly on the importance of the whole exercise, why we need to do this, and things like that, which Bach's already explained. I will not go back into that. So basically, I would like to tell the young ones that your presence here today has given us a sense of, hope to all the young voters, the newly enrolled children here who attain the age of 18. I should not call you children anymore because now you're young adults. Okay? So I welcome you to the group of adults, and I thank each one of you for participating today. And I hope that, in the next year that we come, we'll have more people coming forward to enroll themselves, those of them who have attained the age.
That the Elections Commission was set up on the 25th of January 1950. After 2.5 years, we got our Elections Commission, which was set up on 25th of January 1950. And the first elections was conducted on the 26th of January 1950. That is the elections, which we elect the head of the state. That is the election to the first presidents of India. I hope all of you know who is the first president. It is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first president of India, and he was elected on the 26th of January 1950. So 26th January 1950 is also declared a Republic Day. I hope we know why 26th of January was declared a Republic Day. So many of us know about this, but there are some who still they don't know about why do we celebrate a Republic Day. See, 15 August we celebrate because it is our Independence Day, but 26th of January we celebrate a Republic Day because it is a day where the head of the state, it is elected by the people of the states. Though in the elections of the presidents, the people of India do not take part, but we take part in this election indirectly through our representative. That means through our MLA and through our MP. So here it shows that the people by itself, they are taking part in electing the head of the states, who is the president of India. So why this day is very important for all of us? Because in this day, it shows that the power has been given. The power has been given to the people of India to elect the head of the states.
Hello, dear team, voter ready for democracy. Tingin ko tring how the school cut. Ting I play National Voter's Day lang iti barok tentang nagtatai resource person ni iwala dan nagtalay mga kanita and jing yalong lang kanita dari kepaminta ikarisin panpong nga bang yo mansimata ngapung kanita cek program angtan ng panglajok ini ka online putri function thì hội quy function ka jiwa ka kuat melalui simenta pembunsit thì ngay play và nagtandang ng program nagtandang ng staff na lot we pag-usap ng ay na nag-staff ban thao ko putri teklanda Islam show ngan kulay na igin ka putri tabang nato kabaran show depan ka putri Islam umne bentar hendiat ngan mau biang ye kipor ba mensua kipor kanglung kajing sumhang kipor kang red karta porbanang tip katri kakhi ngatip tangya muja imlang salang ngampua yami sensyar kadar ngambena mentah haba ngalas sanga ngaslu khimet khipha haba karta khatra pura kahok lajong nganma balai patngan dan kuat perslen haba labiang kia kumne ngaru nganyamilan lahok banyo bentah kahok banjir kinong likman hala kajong kamon kabor banjir ngahi nganbat uno gudang nganyan badan kam mentah kalong balik penrung kerteng kamper lajengan ni halas nong lahok banyo nganyen.